Some people, we have some things to get in. You know what I mean? Everybody situation with him woman. More give me opinion on that, my people, because we see whole heap of little red flags where me I say John was star, but here I go, my people. Dan, you know what I mean? She come out and she kinda this blinger for bring out the April boss and the woman thing out on Front Street. But from it up on the internet, a free game. You understand? Nothing wrong with that. Seeing and blinger must say she go keep a case on it or whatever. Seeing also my people, we are going hear Rosealee, you know, I respond to the people them where I say she wrong for this Steph London and whatever. Also Rosealee send a strong message to Dan. And also Rosealee get one say she not gonna reach nowhere in her life. Rosealee a block her blessing still, my people. Me not lie, me I go tell you no. Because you have to know this business called entertainment business, and you have to start from somewhere in order to reach somewhere. And also you have to take a look until you can get enough. So we are gonna get in at that also. And Kit and Shay them run up on Rosealee, my people, because Rosealee run off her mouth and them respond to Rosealee. You understand? So we have a bunch of things to get in. We're gonna kick it off with Shay and Kit. You see me? At this Rosealee, and then we get in at the rest.
Yeah, make up story about social. But me not have social. If you want me have a social, go ask Blinger. Miss Blinger can tell you. Who did the Miss Blinger live the day? Go and make she tell you. Big thinking, girl. Cause since you're in a foreign worries, what is a social, Rosealee? What social good for? Cause you want a social worries. You have that problem there. What name social, Rosealee?
No, she a talk about blood.
No, sir. You can't argue with no girl when they are foreign, when I have a social. What is a social, Rosealee? Tell me.
Ask her if she can't go in her courts, go take out nothing.
So Rosealee, what is a social? Yeah, that too much foreign worries, girl. And the last time I check, a 2 plane never gonna need to carry you.
3 seats.
Never gonna need 2 plane for carry you, Rosealee. 2 plane.
Last time she was alive.
The one where people for blood clot go up and go sit down, you go think up your whole of this. As a matter of fact, a 5 seat you would have want, you would have full up your whole row. Your whole row you would have take up to blood clot because you're big and think. And ship have to go bring you. Ship have to go bring blood clot you, Rosealee. Ship have to go bring you.
Yeah, me see she confess that she lied on TJ. I mean, I know how people still support that little thinking girl, you know, because she make the whole app bring down TJ, you know.
She have to go carry Rosealee anyhow. She have to go, what you call it? She have to go travel. Or she have to carry she. Yeah, she have to carry Rosealee.
I'm thinking girl, you can't argue with nobody.
Everybody you want come for. No, you must see a gone pan blood clot. Where you get them with their far, you get them with their England, you wear a bad mind.
Yeah, she bad man here right now. Wanna start the party flop?
Yeah, she bad mind. The girl them, the people them, the girl them, and the girl them look good. To the girl them look good. Rosealee take a set for the girl them now. Come talk about the girl them no look good. Move your stinking self, Rosealee. You big and sour and think
about that. The party, the people them party flop. Like you did go there, your bad mind.
All Rosealee can do is sit down on one chair. All you can do is sit down on one chair.
What entertainment you have?
One big gaming chair. You come about girl every minute and social and baby father. Rosealee go look for your belly and when you find your blood clot find your baby father. That me I go tell you. I'm not stop telling you.
Last in your crutches.
Baby father last in your thinking front.
I'm going to put a chair go England go to eating contest. Who can eat the most bun?
Baby father laughing at your big thinking front.
Who can name me most bun? I must that the chair go England go to
No, but I lie. When you really check a stack, you know the chair a ball, you know. When you did know say when Rosealee check a stack, the chair a ball. I don't know how she shave. You could ask me. You have to ask thinking.
Rosealee name shave all. Rosealee no one name shave.
Rosealee name shave. Rosealee not even. As a matter of fact, Rosealee. Oh, get Rosealee for argue with girl when near. And wax. Rosealee, who is you?
Rosealee
Who the fuck is you? Rosealee, who the fuck you? Oh, you want argue with girl where wax and use near? Who is you?
The girl can look on them front, not the girl use mirror.
You alone use mirror and look if you shave good.
You alone. Can you want to see if you shave?
You alone can stretch and reach your. Can you big and think? God give everybody two, and I may tell you. Kiki come suck me and come try me chat you all. Oh.
Bushes.
Baby blood clot minute. Yeah, talk about baby father. Yeah, talk about social. And girl where they are foreign. What?
What she talk about his man? Yeah, no, say Kitty has no man no want them. Some man want you. If no man no want we, man
no,
want
she
you.
said she through destiny. She do destiny. They put up say my baby father. They will do maybe say my baby father. Destiny they put up say my baby father Batman. So I each run with say me take Batman and say me as me not have no problem. Any man me want take me take them from there have a.
Every man there with you.
Rosealee, at least me take the man them and gone, you know. But you still stay in a one, and one man alone want you. No more man no want you. One alone want you. One man alone want you with a 2-door fridge.
There's no one Rosealee neither. I see man style her big stinking girl.
But the man no want her. The man no say is him just a use she. Him just a take when can get.
Alright, some people, let me know what they thinking in the comments. Seeing what they must say about Rosealee can reach certain areas for, you know what I mean, clean off the ear them or whatever. I want to feel like say she can properly clean off the ear them. Tell me what they thinking in the comment section. But no matter how Rosealee big or whatever, then can't shame Rosealee, because Rosealee I go clap back anytime anybody say nothing. You see me I say? But more I know what started between Rosealee and them. More I know what started because me kind of lost to that part there. You see, but me I tell you people, Rosealee have beef all over the internet. All over. From Derek, you see me I say, to everybody else. The only person where Rosealee and them not in a things I must Ivan, Blinger, but majority of the people them on social media, them are Rosealee no good. And that kinda, you know what I mean, give Rosealee a look up buzz, cause anytime them say nothing, she a go class them. And you know people love the classing.
And she alone a provide.
And she alone a provider. The pitney them have a mommy and a daddy. And when they really check it out, she alone this stand up for.
No one. Then you come talk about man. Then people
come talk about man and baby and all these things. By right, you're the mother and father in the pitney them life. Rosealee, move now. Rosealee, you're the mother and the father them in the pitney them life. Move.
What she need to go worry about?
Thank you.
Yeah, the mother and father and the pitney them blood clot life. That me know.
Like man is accomplishment.
Yeah, go like the man is accomplishment.
All you talk about is blood clot man. Man. Nobody no want a man. You take all of the man them for we.
Blood clot. When you can't see if you wash your front, I find the blood clot, man.
Go take man and look how man do you don't know. Like that.
When you can't see if you wash your front, Rosealee, I find the man.
Man,
Me
that's
nah stop till you. Any day you can't see if you wash your front, Rosealee, I find the man. Big thinking. Any day you can't see if you wash your front, I find and I find your hole first. If you can't find the man, I can't. If you can't find your hole for wash it, I can't find the man.
Ah, she talk about his blood clot, man. Man. Rvn want body no want no man, and you alone want the man them. Take them no. Body have no man. Are you alone have man and look how your
You
man.
alone have man, I want man.
You alone want man and
Everybody
blood
she a beg
clot.
for name her after and everybody a refuse her front. She no shame if everybody a beg for eat, figure her eat, and then refuse you. You no shame, girl. You have to shame.
Woman well want somebody taste her put every minute
And
here.
you big and so and think.
Me gone so and think, Jede, but Jede put the friendship aside, I can't beg you eat.
Rosealee, go on and allow me here, girl.
Put the friendship aside. Put the friendship aside. Say you want somebody name for you. You big and swart in a blood clot.
Everybody she beg for name her front, they refuse her. Everybody. Nobody don't want name Rosealee. Everybody she a beg for name her front, run left she.
Big and swarty.
Nobody no want name Rosealee front, yak. Now you fi name yak.
Jede.
When nobody see you pan.
No. Him tell her no.
When anybody see you on the app, them fi say yak. And them see you over your life start to like them fi say yak. Them fi just a spam out yak. Cause you think like a dog and cranny. You look like a yak. You want vomit when me see a girl. One little time you have a wow look. You go like you're somebody.
And the app makes you
The
feel.
new name for Rose is yak. The new name for Rosealee, yak.
The people them on the app makes you feel so. These blood clot hypocrite people where you see ya. That's why I'm gonna look for comment section cause they will see money in your comments right now and cheer you on. And when them
Yeah,
done,
I saw me
them
know
go
them.
over there, go do the see. That's why I'm gonna look for comments. Nobody can come in and comments come tab. I'm gonna pay a comment section na mine because I know no. Oh.
And them same one with blood clot over here. Yeah, kitty, yeah, go on and when they go over road, they said, yeah, Rose, yeah, go on, done the girl. Me no want no to tell me nothing. She don't come for me, I'ma go back for blood clot, she and it done. Cause me never trouble that big back.
Don't listen to them in the comments. I won't
Me never listen to she. Me never listen to the big back 2-door fridge.
That's why I'm block them off from my blood clot live.
So when I know say I Swiss party fly up and she go up on the stage and get a little one bus.
A little one hype. The crowd only cheer for you because you're big.
Thank you. The crowd only cheer for her through she big and she did beard that day there and wash her front good. One body wash, one blood clot buckler body wash. Or one bag of sod. One bag of sod she did use on her front so she did get a little chrome look that day there. One blood bag of sod.
When I don't say I saw crowd steer, Rosealee. I saw crowd steer. So
One bag of sod she did blood clot get.
When them
One
see
bag of
the big girl
sod and
them,
beard that day there. One bag of sod.
big girl them a dance, them cheer for them and so when them see the big fat girl them and so yes, I saw crowd.
One bag of sod she did use the day when she got Rosealee party. One bag of sod that's so come she get the look there. She need to use more sod cause body wash can't hold them cause they too think. And then love sweat. Then sweat like a dog, you know, like a hog. So they have a blood clot use sod.
And Rosealee I go Vaxal, Rosealee stick so why you know. Them used to store Vaxal, you know. Anybody who go Vaxal can tell you. Rosealee was having a stick, them used to bull and be a stone, them big stone and
But for you see Rosealee, you see yak. But for you see her, you see yak for true. Her new name on the yak.
So in a Rosalie thing, you know, my people, it seems like it's similar to Revenge of the Nerd. You see me? Being picked pan all your life, look down pan. You know what I mean? People say you're fat, all of these things. So she in a position now where she gained some funds. You understand me? And she reach in a place where she can diss back people. Cause you know them little girl we used to go to school and you know what I mean, them used to pan them and diss them up and you know what I mean, them not have much friends and them something there. So now we feel like that's why Rosalie is the way she is. All of the things them from in her past, she just let that out on anybody right now. But Rosalie have to be careful. You can't overdo it. You have to understand, say yo, not everything need a reaction. You understand? And when you react, you don't have to go so hard. You see me I say? But I think that's her niche on TikTok. Why she gain a lot of fans and them way there so she continue to do it. You see me? But she have to be careful as me say. But make me know what to think about her.
A Bobby she used to sell at school.
She yak.
Used to sell Bobby and the little tree, the sweetie them with the lollipop them with the tree art pan it. Them girls used to sell Bobby at school and little tree art lollipop them.
You see Rosalie, you see yak. For you see Rosalie, you see yak. Remember guys, she name yak. When you don't see her, you say yak.
She would have just left school and go straight to town and go sell the peanut them with her grandmother. No beard, no one big dirty foot slippers, no blood clot. Rosalie along to Rosalie big and dirty, you know. Me I tell you now.
You see Rosalie, you see yak.
When me I go camp on Rosalie, I go Vaxal. One bag of dirty girl. And her uniform blouse under her arm, it look green. The color change. And she
you see Rosalie, you see yak. For you see Rosalie, you see yak.
She ever sweat no blood clot. So I don't know all of a sudden you become this. Man, when you feel like you're a top girl.
No, because through the people them on the internet makes you feel like she's that girl. And that may I tell you which in place Rosalie is not that girl. Oh.
Why? Them kid the woman are hype.
Them yo, you know say uno not easy over your door. Uno wa beard with body wash. We are all money long time and have no business. Uno make one dry-head girl. One pissy tail girl. One girl will sleep on a double bed. One girl will man night in and out. And call him thinking girl. Uno make feel like she has somebody and dog go up over you. Move. Oh. And but moderator lift up them girl there. Because we tell the girl go suck him mama. We don't know if you tell the girl to suck him mama. Moderator lift up them girl there.
From 2011.
We don't know what type of people then Rosalie try not in a nothing with. We don't know what the type of people them pan the app she try not in a nothing with. Yeah? Rosalie move. Move Rosalie. Cause just 2023, 2024 you come on TikTok, you start make little money, you feel like you're that girl there. Rosalie move. Yeah, I pan the poor people them. Move. Yeah, I pan the people them must see one turn on and get them kinds. Move Rosalie. Go and go sell back your peanut.
That she needs to
no, really and truly, I don't want you to sell back your peanut, you know, but really and truly go back in your brain and remember say a peanut days you come from.
But she need to do a go back a bumbo clad school.
Cause you go like say you know remember say a peanut you come from. You want to argue with blood clot girl. Move man.
Clad, Diamond. Kitty watch me go see that video. Diamond said some people can't fit in a plane.
Yeah, me see it too. So I'm gonna see it.
Murder to blood clot.
Me see it.
That little bad mind girl, me I tell that little girl a bad mind.
Everybody. Why you think that she have a friend up back Jaden because through the internet I beat her bad. When she and Jaden did at it, the internet a beat her blood clot bad. And then say she too wicked and sitting. That's why she fed up by Jaden. Because through the internet, she see the internet they are turned down upon her big suck.
They must say some girl can't fit in a plane, not true.
But she is Rosealee them and nobody. Rosealee them big and thin can look like yak. When you see Rosealee, you say yak. Rosealee them a look crumb. Rosealee them a born crumb.
She too much.
Cause she born she cranny.
She too much. The internet makes you feel so.
Cause she born she big and thin.
All over a class, Steph London. I thought about Steph London. You can't pay 2,000 US. You can't. A class of the woman or come cartel now charge that for a dub plate. But Steph London can't pay 2,000 US. It goes harder. What the fuck you think?
The bag of rubbish blood clot gay. Rosealee. I even make you feel like she has somebody. In fact, she know why we go in a closet. Rosealee, me know for fact that she know why I'm going in a closet. Cause one bag alone me go bring out. Rosealee, go on there, man. Go on, cause Rosealee really and truly no make sense.
Like we want to see other people do. I know everybody can do Auntie Dana work. Auntie Dana, I queen for that. Some want to follow fashion. That I want a problem. Want to follow fashion. Everything on a run. You know go and hear Dan name call. When Dan name call on a run out. What's about Dan? You say you a keep. Every day you say you a keep. But you can't sit down by yourself and even hold 200 people. So how you keep and you can't hold 200 people? Take 150 then by yourself because you a keep. You don't have no niche so you can't keep. You don't make content. Only thing you do is fast in a people business every day. Not no more. Not no more you not do. Look while me say another one. Said this have to go try. Look into this now. Everybody know Jamaica man stay. When it come to the woman. Oh, you mean by you go try case with the man and the woman? If a man say in woman short. You laugh over that as a what? The Jamaica, but they jealous you. He must know where must see where we not see. Pay attention to the woman. Not because some of the man no care what to do. All when the whole TikTok turn pound, they turn them back. In care about female man, so if like him I say wait, all of a sudden you just pay so much attention. He might go say something. He might human and woman when love. Yeah, go say man care. Oh man if can't jealous of a woman when love. Think about that. And that's why if people them get dislike on I not see it. Because certain cases leave alone. Certain cases leave alone. That type people in life. Little jealousy, a Jamaica, typical Jamaica man, for jealous of the woman. My girl, go take off that, you know. Your bex, you're going to go take care of and put on something different. I say, I go on nothing. We Jamaica woman used to that. So why big deal on TikTok? Because a man say, in woman shorts too short, that for China courthouse. Says who? Think about it. When they hear about one that kill somebody out the road, do you say, but he having wife or he having woman, so who this is somebody? Them they sit there, you keep in the courthouse. Because them they are bangara. But me realize say when you take people real life and bring it on TikTok like people don't have life, because true, you don't have no life. Because every day me have to wonder this, you know. Every day me have to wonder this, I say. Who's husband? Who's wife? I go sit down every day and see people.
People need to hear what the woman say on Bling Live. Say, yeah, every boss woman that a queen. She a date below average or average. So she a call every boss average and below average. The people, Able Boss and her there for how much months now. Able Boss post up her on him Instagram, him post up her on him TikTok, him post her up. And if you go over Queen with the vibes, TikTok, not a able, not even one picture with she and able. What I tell you say, she's leaving room for a next person because she no post up nothing at all with she and able over there. Me no know about Instagram. You understand? And if you go on able Instagram, if you go on him TikTok, him and she, you saw me I say, and we no see one post from she about pregnancy. So me I wonder if she did really want Abel or because Abel was the man on TikTok, why she draw to him. But now that both of us stumble on Abel and nothing now go and feel like one time, she want to get rid of him because man want her. You understand? So he's no longer in her league. Him fall off.
Bring down them people on social media and not step in that one day that the person not care about you, man. Think about it. Because if me have a man and me see them a beat him on social media, me go say you can't come on fast. Me feel like me a go back for me yard too, you know, cause every time me go on social, them a talk about you, and when they talk about you, them a talk about me and this. Yeah, go come out and say something. That's thank. Yeah, go come out and say something. Once you care about the person, when you not give a f***, you just leave it. Or you talk one time, two times, you go about your business. Because the person has stop. It's simple. But me don't know why this girl always, when she hear me name call, she run out. Where she, who give up for you say? Nobody don't know you on the app. If I never RT run you out of box, nobody don't know you. Up to today day. Even one night time come over here and say it. If I never even run you out of box, nobody don't know you. Nobody who don't know you. Nobody don't know you where you come from, who you be on social media. Now when you run out of box, you go farm, you look alive, you have your 6 people, them your 7 people, your 10 people. And you carry a news to your doctor woman. That's it. You don't have no fans on TikTok. So me know all of a sudden you be the center of attraction. Me don't know how I go on. Me don't know why problem all of a sudden. But guess what? Dan I go be Dan. And Dan I run back on nobody. Yesterday me hear say you dep on your live, and as you hear say me over how it go, you lack off for your life. Like me, I say, are you obsessed with me then? And me you're obsessed with? Really? Okay. I no say them no one. I no say them no one. Don't me now my face, but you know them care. You don't know say people that are so obsessed over other people. When you hear say them there's somewhere there you want to go. God. What's up, my kids? How you guys doing? Me not obsessed over people like that. Really? So one more I'm pitting them there. Yeah. Be a real people me have over here and I'm not no fake people over here. Tasha, me real fans them. Over here. No have no fake people over here. That way I say. But as me say, people can't pay RT mind because RT drop off a map and RT come back. Me sure know say when RT come back, RT never come find you. Because if you did a keep as well, you say you da keep. RT da find you. He never find you. He find me. And me no have no queen title. Thank you. Me no have no queen title. Who that's somebody man? Wait. Me no have no queen title. Bima, thank you. Bima girl. Me no have no queen title. But I mean come fine. Me come like the queen with the vibes. Yeah. Queen vibes. Thank you, be my girl. I saw me come like the queen with the vibes. Me no fight for one of me. Me never fight for one of me. If me see a man and me like him and him not like that, me go about my business. Hold it more man out there. Hold it more man out there. What day I see you run out again? Yeah, say tell them to do this and beat you. Tell them who. With what? What you really are come with? Tell me. What you say you are come with? You throw shade. People where when them go somewhere they can buy something to put on. Can in a competition with somebody who can have clothes to put on all for the whole year. What you talk about? You don't have no sense. The things that me hear on attack, on just attack them to be seen. And that to not do. When you come like the girl them when me see a get queen advice. Then nah no man hey. Who no can keep a man? For the man run regardless for no. Who no tell a woman husband like a who no the woman mark the husband better. So who no tell for the man to do better? When the boy never get the visa, me soon come out to the no pick me say pick me boy if me batty this that so no go. And now when boy get visa me soon now home. Una waganis, who no be? I saw now come to discriminate people every day on social media for people soon. That's all. Just the people soon. I have to call on a name. Blood clot.
So here we go on people. Dowey, him go put up him youth on him Instagram. Is him data, but him not show her face like that. And boy, Queenie go live. Boy, my people, me I go share that with Uno after that and don't talk. You see me I say, cause boy, me know say Queenie can't stop love Dowey so quick and fast. So all Queenie are go on. You know what I mean? Can't stop love Dowey. So me know say even when she lock her door and in her bed, she a go crazy for the G. So as we done I say, you know what I mean? Enough people are give Queenie advice and this Dowey and them not in the position to give the woman advice or this the youth. So we are going to listen somewhere we done I say and then we are going to go over Queenie my people.
You come, you bring down the people, you bring them down to the ground. All when you and them you sit down in a bed, lie down in a bed. Night and night, you take on look at hard working money, you work at foreign guy, Jamaica go mind the man them. And then when they no more, you come on TikTok, can discriminate them. And when you see like look a light out for shine, you can't change your mouth. Lord, when they hear me, God, I'm this, I'm go suck on the mama, me tell you say a son of I wanna stay. A son of I wanna stay. Me no know what really are going on this TikTok here. I don't know. So how I go read my mind and say me want to be queen. Which queen up on TikTok? Because Blinga take a name and just call herself that name. So who me ever see nobody give a title on TikTok and say, see a crown here, and you are the queen. If you don't want to know who a blood clot queen on TikTok, you don't go play a match for it.
You know, I'm not like mix up. I'm not like propaganda. I'm not love baga. Dan, if me no bad mind you for the shape you buy, me not think me I got bad mind nobody for nothing. You see when Roger them and Diamond them and all of them that guy England, me did know that family get old. So me don't know when them reach England what I got bad mind for. As somebody come over my life, come type it. I me only read the comment cause me not give two shit. I me not really give a damn. Me can go anywhere in the world like anybody else. See me call you reach a foreign, anybody else can reach a foreign. Look at me na foreign words, miss. When you come off of my name. Dan me always say like me always see as a potential and friend, don't turn me enemy. Cause when you and cheese them in a store, you never hear me up me blood clot mouth. You come off of me. Someone wanna come enough up and come talk about. Me the call Steph London for me the call Steph London until I say me the one go somewhere. Me never call Steph London and tell Steph London say me the one go somewhere any at all. And them a call me and ask me question and me give them my price. And if I now work with my price, I go away I go. So why? Me say what me I say to my people them pan me live. Cause me never chat to someone, you know. I was talking to my people them on my live. I don't see the screen of card and I go like me that chat to someone, you know. Me not chat to someone, you know. So like how you burn someone, so I tell her $2,000 US. Why someone not take up the proposal and charge her $50? I beg her. Someone if you take up the proposal, man, and beg her a suck. Beg her a suck and go on, go to the stone clash. Cause he must say bun no, cause she never did call no. And me she did choose. True? Nah look.
Rosealee, come here. I'm able to talk to you. You don't know we are going to life, you know. You know? You don't have no we are going to life. What you mean Steph London paid you $2,000, $300,000 to come host one party? Rosealee, I'm not in the life, I could even buy you one vintage food to come host one party. But you know, so I can't blame you in entirety. I can't blame you, you know, because Steph London too enough. Steph London is too enough. One interview makes Steph London reach out to you. Steph London never say just Rosealee party, you got pay dirty people in there. You should charge her $5,000. Steph London too enough. She too enough. I couldn't ask you, Rosealee, to host my party. Number one, you not even have jokes. Number one, you have never hosted before. You ever host one party before? The largest people we ever talk to, the largest crowd of people we ever talk to, and must your shape. That's the most crowd you ever get, and it's just the truth. Me don't know who I hype you up. But you see, Winford interview, trust and believe. Your segment never boots them program. People never ask for an encore. You hear? So if somebody said to you, if you can't host the party, a bill Steph London and a bill where you are trying to find a name career. Nobody never tell you that you're a little bit on too hype. Rosealee, remember say I pay big clothes you have to wear. Pure big clothes. Always remember that because you're a big girl. And this is no disrespect. These are all the elements when you charge them, they might chat to you. When them check the levels, they might say, but you don't have no pulling crowd. Remember, you know, somebody will take you out of your element of begging and I give you a job now. You just come up a Winford and you host a party, a sound clash, as whatever it want be, for Steph London, and you turn down that. Oh, you reach, you land, you arrive, you turn airport.
People, Rosealee no know what she do to herself when she come out and diss Steph London and say what she say now. She don't know what she do to herself. It's like she don't see nowhere else like better than if you sit down on TikTok, because TikTok are right now. We are get the money right now. We not look for build no career. TikTok are give me everything I want. Anybody want me to get up out of that seat yeah, and come and show for them. Me I go want such and that and my price cause me value that and ray. She do a career sabotage to her own self. TikTok is not forever. Gifters come and go. When them get tired of you, them take out themselves. So you living just for a TikTok because you make it on TikTok, you know. I hope say whatever you make on TikTok, you can control it, angle it, manage it, and flip it around and keep it forever. Because you just turned down the biggest highlight of your career where you try to build, as what Shibata said. It is a Red Bull culture clash. Steph London now make no money a fight. I'm not sure. I don't think Red Bull pay them. But whatever Red Bull pay them, if you get a little thing, don't mind that. You're building your career. You just come off a Rosealee party. Just come off a on stage and you go in a Red Bull culture clash. After that, your boss. Red Bull culture clash. Your boss, how much people are going to book you and know you can charge your price when them book you, but people don't know. Say it's a stepping stone. When people are book them just think say everybody I use them, and that's why I tell about the chip with up on Rosealee's shoulder, and she reads somewhere, you know, so she can deal with people anyway. Be careful, Rosealee. You know what I mean? That if you want a career after TikTok, you have to be careful. If you don't want a career, you know what I mean, it's okay. You can be yourself and do what you want to do.
You really turn down that opportunity because you have free money? Rosealee, you not even start yet. You don't even start as yet. You turn down. If Stepland and Eva want give you $500 US, it better than donut off of the app. Because at night, sometimes you get all $120, $80. Rosealee even know. You vex to say, Stefan and say, can't tell that he not charge that for don't play it. Rosealee, let me tell you the truth, he's not a me. He's not a me. Don't do that, he's not a me. You know, say too many entertainers is on the app where commoners there. That is why we don't feel size up.
Blood, what kind of lie? I put it on because I'm paranoid because it's like through me I go through, I don't know me I get drips. I put it on. That's the way I roll up when it come out. Why you think I can't explain it so? It hurt me. So I'm say everybody I take side with them. It hurt me. Man, somebody lady could have called me. When me I get married, me I see 2 weeks straight. That all the man yeah. Me so hyperactive. And Rachel said, Mom, what you doing in that big drawers? Take out that big drawers. And Mr. Romeo I said, my bad. I become a paranoid that day. I put on the panty chin and said, I want the panty chin I want a little thin blood pad. What a panty chin I put it for. I'm a rest it on the liquor. Take it out, cause nothing in it, cause if nothing in it, I go roll it up and put tissue over it. I'ma take it off and rest it on the liquor. You know the something where them have a Jamaica, the liquor grill, where them put in a bathroom. I rest it there. And by myself, on the toilet, do say something to me, I'm run out to him and left the something in there. And you dirty woman will say you're clean and decent. Could you call me as a mother-in-law? I say crazy. Be careful. When I take picture with my dirty, have a set to the family or the friend. And then I complain to my mad. How much years have that got lady? 4 years ago that lady. You understand me? So when me tell us God lady, all that wickedness for you do me. And I rude, I have enough. God say I know I'm not go mad. I'm glad them left me, you see. I train know. I'm just glad every time I beg God. I say, God don't make me go on the internet, go call them name. But it not happen so. The pad hurt me. The way the youth said to me, Me here do a long time too. Me just could have just walk away, so. Cause it's not easy. Mommy, remember video me pad. Cause you know want to be petty. You want to get up evidence when I did it like me. I want nasty dirty woman when I meet in a dirty blood clot house. You gotta say me beard 3 and 4 times. Yeah, me and your son make sense, huh? Me always talk say my beard all 10 times. So how stink me can be so? How stink? Me not even for bad about the stink part. Cause you know you're not stink Queenie. But really, as a young man, and that you sit down with a decent friend them, and a scan me, and that appropriate for your son do as a young man, that appropriate for your Batman son with their Jamaica will do with your Batman will do with your feature. That appropriate for your Batman son with their Jamaica video me with 8 blood clot me video me pad. What do we say man the teacher? The teacher man. Yeah, come take internet and a computer eyeglass. And your son a tell me come down. I wanna for blood clot come down and come see me upon this. I wanna tell for come down. You have an eyeglass, a mag upon blood clot internet. Where you want to blog now? Dirty woman. You never have the decency of the vice where you come and impress the nation. How great of a mom you is that you defend your son. How? When you have the 2 boys at Jamaica live like back and belly blood clot rat. Right now the 2 of them want Canada same way. Cause the way I show us him have house or Romaria can't come to America. And him tell him mother say him for still file film no matter what. And you can't chat to blood clot me. Same like when I fighting for the house, and son I fight do you fighting brother for the house. And the brother put him out of the house December. Where him rent. Because him say him associate. And the mama have to move you out of your brother and agree. You can't chat to blood clot me. And I lie me I tell. Him did a hype over the house where him left my fa. And sabotage my one. You gotta get your one to all. Do it. Hey, Romaria can't. I tell mama if you still help file film still. You eat your blood clot, brother, cause him get visa before you. You saw him go find him carry one slippers, come get and take back the slippers. And when him used to go find him not carry nothing, come give. And me come in your life and take care of you. And you want to destroy me? Everything I remember about you and your brother and your family, me I go talk about my family them. Cause me don't care 0 about blood clot them. But you care 0 about yours. I could have cared less about none of my blood clot family. Any one of them I chat them deserve the chatting. But did you deserve to talk all the way your family? What you say about your family? You can't come make clean. You can't come go to Cutie. My friend Cutie love me from a hole in the blood clot wall and can't talk. And she miss blood clot me while she tear me down, so. But you read between the line. If Cutie never blood clot rate me deep into who the record you. All when she use it for mock me. She show the world the son of a bitch you are. Big up, come and clap, come. Me's at peace. When I make people look like me frightened over your come here, madam, and the boy can't even stay for long. Him for glad say him have waistline can go to the left and give 2 little ass clot. Good. Nothing to the boy. Nothing. You hear me ask him if me ever give back. Me never like do it yet. Doing a good, sir. You know some boy will get in that business to blood clot where am I do to ass clot. You just in the moments. No moments not that if you in do with slam bam thank you madam. Move your dirty blood clot. And hold your blood clot can little boy. And go wash your blood clot fractal Miss Jane. Twin cow. Panty puddle doing. Me not ready for blood clot yet because you have what it more there. Remember you have one girl by your phone where you say your sister. And the man where are your father. And you want to catch DNA because the man look like your father.
Hey my people, and when the relationship end and end bad, you hear everything, you know, a lie on the ear, you know. You see me? But no one listen to what Queenie have to say because I know say Queenie have a lot. You see it? Because Dowey is a man where He look like same chat people. Big man thing. He look like him chat people cause him chat Queenie with a whole heap of people. So me I wonder when him and Queenie used to there. Who him used to chat with Queenie so you can't put nothing past do it. Him mouth gonna get him in that trouble. Yeah, no, boy do it. Queenie I gonna bring it down still in the dog. But them a play tit for tat my people. You see me? Queenie you know what I mean? I jab at Dowey and I expose him and Dowey I sneakingly I get pan Queenie nerve. Yeah, Queenie said the man can't walk her good and she always remember, you know. And she come say one man to her good, you know, and I big up the man, you know, and she make enough woman want to walk off of him, you know, because oh she a big him up, you know. And know she a go put him down say Ray and Ray. John no star, me I telling the people. Make me don't want to think, make we listen some more.
And that's why your father not pay no mind because your mother gave to 2 man. And the 2 man them look like your mother is a ooh. Me never have for the wriggle me that for none of my blood clot pitney them have 5 pitney me have for 1 man. You're done your mother. So if me come and diss your mother, or don't care what I tell people if me not hear you deal with your mother. You lead me to that. I tried not to disrespect your mother. I may never decide to her face. You record me, I send them to her. And when you piss me off, I'm come on the internet, come down her. Yo! Eat your mother, your mama eat you, want come fabricate story for me. Me not dead. And I might not remember them today. Me and him them yard and the teacher man a come with one buckler drink with him and brother. And him say, see, that for lock up off. One wicked corrupted youth. What me say him say? Him brother and the teacher man I got lock up on because the man have a backlot drinking him and don't blood clot test me. Send all what you want send to cutie. Because I'm big and pure and real. If them catch me and name me I go put up my hand to that. Because of my mouth and name you do that. You're not real. And you're going to perish by the hands of the Almighty. Everything what you do, I declare them back in the name of Jesus. I return to sender. Every weapon where you want farm against me, I return them to center in the mighty name of Jesus. Dwayne, Andre, Scarlett, me now like no can go for you. A God and my can go. Me no walk over here. Me no do what? Me no walk over here. Yo, tell me say Trisha and the whole of our family them down a Painland walk over here. And them I go over here me and me say Dewey. Me a over here myself. Yes, I not forgot a Painland. Cause Trisha family them bad and them I go beat me when me look at you and the whole of Trisha family them turn back blood clot friend. Talk to me now, Dwayne. You try scared me. So I'm going to Painland. I'm say do me love by the world. Trisha family them run them from phase 2. Trisha them down bad. Crazy bad people them. Move your little blood clot. Scare the cat. You go like you're bad. You can't prove nobody's me better than blood clot you. You can't prove nobody's. You're just ignorant. You're ignorant and dark. You see the graduate all the way we scared the way a mother. You hear me? The father have 4 daughters. 1 with an ex-woman or 3 daughters. 1 with an ex-woman and 2 more. The father filed for them and them the America and them not filed for Dewey. Dewey are the only boy. The man have 3 daughters. Dewey are the first pitney and the man not own Dewey even though Dewey have the man name. So Dewey have daddy issues and mommy issues. So maybe RT morning, maybe the childhood trauma what the mother try and make up with you. Whether you the mama want, the papa want him she for flag her father come for him in a June gone when her birthday and Dewey said to me, say, my father don't pay me no mind. But him invite my mother, say she for come spend a weekend with him for fun. Dwayne, yes, you dirty blood clot, you. Anything when me say about my family, them talk. Anybody me talk about me for talk about them. Talk! You dirty nasty blood clot, you. Him say my father no look for me and my mother him tell say I go put her in a hotel. No dirty blood clot. I mean you know what scan? I mean you know what scan? Me are the realest blood clotting ever. Him over me. Queenie, my Obia links told me Dewey and his mom set out for you. But as much as me no want believe, when me hear the man say, anything I pray for me sick, they just see the fly come from blood clot America. I chang me chang. All when them come in the hospital I visit me, I ask that when I look back on all them face now, because so the boy having him heart towards me, man, him mama. You hear me? You hear me? I want girl house do it in America. And right now the girl I say she have to have a man when she tell them to test them. Me look like me want to do it. Do you gonna say me stink? The girl on here cook with the America. When me came, I put him on the plane and him say I go mother house. A cook house do we go in a. And cook a message do we. When me and do it there at Jamaica when me belly. I said to do it say. Do forgot check himself because she have this. The half has never been blood clot tool. Me clean and pure. So me you not about. Why then you know what it is for a girl go find out so them have whatever them have and call you as my husband to tell you say she wonder if you give me and him you forgot check yourself. Talk to me no do you want to put up baby? I go show you who name blood clot Queenie. You want to put up baby for bantan me? I go show you who name blood clot Queenie. I see if you can't respect me by blood clot marriage and naturality, or by force you gotta respect me. You hear that? Remember me tell you batty all. The war not done for all. Go and show shade and understand yourself here, your woman.
Yo, that's why the young youth them have to stay away from big woman, you know, because if you don't want the woman, don't go mess with her brain. You see me I say, and this can turn out to be one of the worst things I do in life, although she make him get so much things. You understand me I say, yo Queenie say it not over, you know what I mean? And if he honor her in a marriage, if him not honor her in a marriage, then she a go use for come on. Remember say you and the man left Queenie. You have to make the man live him life. You understand? And low him out because you say him can't walk you good and like you say him can't turn long and ray. So you have to just allow him, make him stay. How can him posting him daughter bother you? You understand? Him didn't even show her face, him just show say him have a daughter. So how that bother you? One thing me I say do it better watch himself. That's all me can say. And then Queenie I say he must have something. He must have whatever ray the woman them same have. So in a long time do we go out and him a walk them woman here without nothing at all. Him a go beer back. So me I say a long time him a go do him thing, you know. So how you go say you clean and pure and him have something. And me know say you not make him use nothing when him man act you. Hey people, you see when relationship turns sour, at that the time they hear everything. But all the best to Queenie, you know what I mean? Do it, watch yourself. So make a watch some more, my people.
You got some me bring down blood clot, you know, no one bring me down. I win, you know. Me drop down, you know. Sleepless night, you know. I go silent pound a dirty blood clot, you know. And I work spiritual fight silent, you know. I rebuild myself, you know, so no matter how much ball, you know. Me roar! You saw last 2-3 years, me I got sting and me say, wow! With me and Mary. A judgment! Me plead to you. Me say, what you want this? To want somebody for... You not done? Are you care humble? Me ready for now. All your sister will say back and she a Christian and she have a little baby boy. Every blood clot thing, remember. Me no care. There's a difference with me. From a little and I watch TV, me say me nah make nobody blackmail me, I talk. Blood clot there. You cannot hide behind blood clot door and not tell lie for me. When me I talk the truth what you do. The whole of them I got blood clot wonder. It's like how you obstruct my family. Whole of me pitney them, all cute done me pitney them and all I wish to say about me you them. It work both ways. Go ball for family. The last time you compare to the whole of my family, them a ball. No family not a ball for you. None of them don't care about you. If you thank God for them other them. That conniving mama. Me not depend on page. Him block me from long time. I'm not on this page, but anything him do, me see same way. Listen, the man move on and the man a live him life. The man, me can't tell him what for post and me can't stop him from post and him can't stop me from. You see, for me feel some type of way how him use me a create problem, man. Me bad. You understand the difference? If me feel some type of way I feel for not say nothing, me not say nothing. Yeah, man, do we rude, man. Him do too much. And then I come play a victim. And then the dirty stinking farmers, big pussy come ball about me, I cuss your mother. Yeah, your man from long time, that's why you beg with your friend. Vex with your blood clot friend to come at your window. Where I tell your mother, say, we're going to suck your mother over at blood clot, go. Jealous of who? Jealous of blood clot who? Me a drunk and shit house. Me not nothing for that jealous over. Low blood clot, me got class self. Move your blood clot. You think your woman can make me no dirty blood clot self. Go! In my heart, no dirty blood clot.
Alright, some people. Alright, just some in it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Because boy Queenie say nah, stop bring down do it. And me know say Queenie must regret all of the time them where she diss the people them for do it. You see me? And you saw she did love him. I know she has said this. Say him this and him that. Boy, me tell you, when relationship turns sour, you gonna hear all of the bad things them. So let me know what you think with people.